Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you I have installed Ubuntu made desktop environment on my Raspberry Pi 4 device and I have a problem with the Bluetooth. When I try to set up new device, it says no adapter is found. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. So we need this driver, this firmware from the website. I will provide the link to the firmware in below description. So download this and open it. Install this driver package. This is the firmware for the Bluetooth device for Raspberry Pi. I'm using Ubuntu Mate. So I need to do some tricks on this. Yeah, it is finished now. After that, let's try and have a look. Still it says no adapter is found, so we have to attach the adapter. So from command line we need to type some commands. Type this command first. So you will see this TTMA0 TTYMA0 is the Bluetooth serial port. UART, this is PL011 according to Raspberry Pi description documentation. So we have to attach that by typing this command. It's sudo hci attach this file to this. After that, the firmware will be flashed. So the device setup is completed. Now when you try to set up new device, let's see. Yeah, it's working. See the difference? Now it is working. You can find the device, you can see. So it is working. Just try to search available Bluetooth devices, nearby devices. I'm gonna turn my Bluetooth. Guys, I was shooting on this from my phone. When I tried to turn on my Bluetooth device, the recording stopped. That's why it's stopped. So I started again. So we found the device. Galaxy S9 is my phone. Okay, so it's working. So this is what I want to show you. It's very easy. If you have problem with Bluetooth on Ubuntu on Raspberry Pi 4, just try this solution. You can fix it. Thanks for watching.